Mr. Praveen Kumar Singh, hearty congratulations on securing All India rank 11 in Electronics branch in Engineering Service Examination 2021.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Praveen, please tell us what type of coaching program that you have availed from our ESE Engineering Academy.
Sir, in the year 2018, I took a men's batch coaching class in ESE Hyderabad. After that, I could not able to take the regular classroom programs because I was working in DRDO at that time. So yes, I was involved. I took this men's test series, prelims test series also, and as well as this online video these classes.
Right. Okay. So, Praveen, as you said, initially you attended what you call the classroom coaching, and
Sir.
recently you attended the live classes,
Yes, sir, exactly.
mains live classes.
Sir.
What was your experience while attending these mains live classes of ES Academy, Praveen?
Sir, what I experienced is that means what we wanted for men's preparation is a proper approach and how to solve the problem as easily as possible and as fast as possible. So these two things which I could able to inculcate in myself after listening those videos, and the concept was very clear, and the problem solving approach was very nice, I would say.
Okay, very good, Praveen. Praveen, attending these live classes, sitting in front of a computer or else a lap, what you call this cell phone, some people feel that it is something difficult. So, what about you?
Sir, yes, I would say yes. Slightly, it is difficult because the recorded classes are also provided. So sometimes we feel that we need means okay, today I will not be able to attend, so the next day I will continue. But this thing is not there in our offline classes. But one should be very much punctual, and he should, as we attend our offline classes, I used to start at exact time. And if suppose I could not able to attend the live classes, then the recorded classes also I used to finish on the very day itself. So we need to punctual about it, and yes, it provides some convenience also because we can repeat the recorded classes.
Right. Praveen, while attending these live classes or else recorded classes of ES Academy, simultaneously, did you prepare any notes also?
Yes, sir. I used to prepare the complete notes.
Notes also.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Praveen, may I know about your educational details? Which college are you from? You had BTech. In which
Yes.
year did you pass out?
Okay, sir. Sir, I passed out in 2014 from Harcourt Butler Technological Institute, Kanpur, from electronics engineering. And after my graduation, I was selected as senior technical assistant in DRDO in the same year. So I joined that because it was a government service, and and I was not having any option right at that time. So after that, in 2015, actually the association with AS Engineering Academy started in the year 2015 itself. Because I was in Bangalore, posted in Bangalore, and there is AS Academy Bangalore. So after searching, and I could able to join as the weekend batch student for GATE 2016. At that time, I was not preparing for engineering services. When the syllabus was changed for engineering services in 2017, so at that time, this syllabus I felt very much comfortable for me because I have done my diploma in electrical and electronics engineering also. So there were slightly some of the subjects related to electrical engineering in our engineering services. This one, a new syllabus. So it actually attracted me, and since 2017, I started preparation. And initially, we were not having any material because of the change syllabus. And I searched net actually, and I downloaded some of the PDFs from different institute in tech means IITs and NITs. And after that, in 2018, for engineering services 2018, I prepared for prelims. It was my self preparation with my self notes which I have gathered. And after qualifying engineering services 18, actually I would say, sir, it was a very nice experience because in engineering services 2018, the cutoff marks was 213 for general candidate, And with my self preparation, I scored 212.8 marks. So literally speaking, I was qualified by minus zero point 0.2 marks, and that I believe that it was my means the turning point in my life. And those minus zero point 0.2 marks has given me confidence, because at that time we don't know our marks. We came to know after the complete stage is over. So in 2018, after that scoring those marks, took the help of this AS Engineering Academy for men's preparation. Although I could not able to qualify men's that time, and in 2019 again means I came back to my regular office routine. I used to go office. So finally, so last year I resigned from my DRDO that job in the April 2021. Because I could not clear engineering services by some marks last year. So with that risk, I took, and yes, today I have secured this rank.
Very good. You have long story, Praveen, right?
Yes, sir.
Finally, it's a happy ending, right? In your what you call chasing your dreams.
Yes, sir. Sir, it
Praveen,
feels
Praveen,
very much good that yes, whatever I have started, actually, I could able to finish. That is very
you have
nice,
reached your
actually.
goal there.
Sir,
Praveen, see, DRD also a very good job. So,
sir.
what prompted to go for this engineering service preparation?
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, I was selected in senior technical assistant on the basis of diploma. Sir. I have done diploma also. So on the basis of that, I was selected for Group B
Okay, I
service.
understand, Praveen. So, because you have joined a DRDO on diploma basis, right?
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay, right. Praveen, did you appear GATE exam also?
Yes, sir. Last year means, sir, every year I would say I used to appear for GATE for continuing my preparation. It gives a kind of self-evaluation just before the mains, because after the prelims, the GATE will be there, so there will be continuity in preparation.
Yes,
So
continuity and
last
yes.
Yes, sir. So the last year, sir, I could able to secure All India rank 66 in from instrumentation background. Although in electronics, I could only manage to get 2000 around 2600 rank. And this year again I appeared, and this year also I secured All India rank 98 in instrumentation and 673 rank in ECE, sir.
Okay, Praveen, as far as this engineering service examination is concerned,
Sir.
so how many serious attempts you have taken to get this All India rank 11?
Sir, I would say I started my preparation in 2017, but the serious attempt is from 2018, sir.
So can you say this is your third attempt
Fourth attempt, maybe, sir.
or
2018,
third or fourth
19, 20,
attempt?
and 21. Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, right. See, in this long journey of let us say 3 years of serious preparation,
Sir.
right? What you used to do as far as preparation is concerned? Daily, let us say how many hours you used to spend, what you used to
Mhm.
prepare, at what interval you used to give the break, what sequence you used to follow while preparing the subjects. Can you please elaborate?
Yeah, sure, sir. Uh, Sir, before 2021, when I was working, I used to wake up at around 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock, sir. And in the morning I could not get much time, and so after office, after 5 o'clock, I used to come back, and by 6 o'clock I used to start my preparation. So it will go up to 9 o'clock, 3 hours there. Then I used to prepare dinner and lunch also by myself only. So I used to prepare dinner after 9 o'clock, and by 10 again I am on the this one table for my study. So from 10 to 11:30 or 12. So total of 5 hours per day I used to give at that time. And yes, in DRDO the good thing was Saturday and Sunday was off for us. So these two weekends were very much helpful for me, because I used to continue for around 8 hours per day during weekends.
So,
And about sir, actually, I started this one preparation according to the strategy. Like for prelims, I thought that I should complete each and every subject. It's not a single subject should be left. I tried that, and sometimes we will be lacking, but at least I would suggest that one complete reading should be done for this GS part. at
Okay.
least.
Praveen, just tell us, in the GS we have the 10 topics, right?
Sir,
So could you prepare all the 10 topics with equal emphasis?
no, sir. Literally, no, sir. With equal emphasis, not all the this one topics. Like current affairs, sir, it is slightly very broad topic, and focusing much on it, I don't think which will be of use, because 2021 and 2022, which I appeared, 2022, which I appeared just now, also I have appeared after resignation. So that I have completed the material, the GS, the current affairs, but I realized that the questions were completely different. So instead of that, we should focus on the mathematics, reasoning aptitude, and our engineering drawing is a very good subject. Material science is helpful because it is in both the papers, technical paper and GS paper. So selectively, and I was very much interested in that ethics and ethics part also. So that part I was very much comfortable, because it is a type. I have seen that that UPSC plays with the word. So if we will catch that word and we could able to put our means thinking on that, then we will be able to finish that ethics part also, and slightly project management also we will be able to do without much studying.
Okay, Praveen, one thing, out
Sir.
of 10 topics, which topics that you have ignored relatively?
Sir, current affairs, I would suggest, I would say, sir. Current
Only
affairs,
current affairs.
yeah, only
Current
current
affairs,
affairs, sir.
right. So
Others,
rest of
yes,
topics you have made enough preparation.
yes, sir. I have made preparation.
Right. Okay, Praveen. You said that up to this prelims examination, you prepared both the prelims type of questions as well as mains questions also, right?
Yes, sir.
After the prelims examination was over, so exclusive for the mains examination, how you used to carry out the preparation? Because for mains, you need to have what is called a lot of writing skills.
Yes, sir.
How
Exactly,
could
sir.
you do that one?
Sir, first of all, we need to go through the previous year paper. That is very much important, and we need to see the means in which areas the UPSC is asking questions. Like there are many areas out of which we will have to select some of the areas which is very much important according to the UPSC. Like some design-based problems are there. So I used to take those previous year paper. I used to go through it, and I used to start my means complete practice. And joining the test series will also will increase the speed. Initially, sir, I was worried about this because I could not able to attempt the complete 300 marks in one paper, and I faced a lot of problem. But later I realized that instead of going for attempting full 300 marks or 250 marks also, we need to focus much on the accuracy part. If we will improve our accuracy, although I used to attempt only 200 marks or 210 marks, so I realized that if we could able to increase our accuracy, then slowly day by day that speed will also increase.
Right.
So
Okay,
so
right.
there's a thing.
Praveen, I
Yes, sir.
understand. Okay, right. That is how you have done the preparation for the mains examination.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Right. So in the on the day of the mains examination, the two papers, right? You have
Sir.
to attempt any five questions.
Yes,
Actually,
sir.
how many questions you attempted in each
Sir,
paper?
four questions. So four questions in each paper.
Each paper. Right.
So four questions, and I would say not completely also, sir. So in terms of marks only, I can tell in both the papers I attempted 200 marks. Means
200
total
marks
of,
you attempted.
yes, a total of 400 marks, because there were some tricky and unexplored, I would say, the part also which we have not practiced much. That was also there, like design based problems were more in advanced electronics subject. So that was slightly unexplored part, sir.
Right. Okay, good, Praveen. See, so from this your vast experience as far as the examination is concerned, right? Uh, what suggestions or what tips that you want to share with the other aspirants of this examination, ESE in general, and electronic students in particular?
So in general, I would suggest all the ESC aspirant that never lose hope, and yes, you have to means give your 100% every time you sit on your study table. If you are not giving 100%, if you are feeling some slightly bored, then take a break, a small break, and then come back again. Like in my case, it seems like it was a very long preparation. Like in 2018, I started my preparation, and still I was working only. And you have to take some risk. And like I resigned from DRDO, so that was a risk for me because I was not having anything at that time. So slightly you have to means take the risk, but calculated risk, not just like that. You have to take that. And for electronics and telecommunication branch, I would suggest that now there is no much repeated question in mains. So there are some of the questions which are very much new. So yes, apart from solving the previous year paper, just try to analyze the question in the previous year paper itself. That if something is changed like this, then how we will go for. Slightly slight analysis means is required. I would not suggest to go for a complete reference with the some standard textbook, because I know that in 2 months or 3 months it's not possible to go through the test series completely, and then the previous year paper and then the reference book. So slightly we have to keep aside the reference book and for time being. And yes, for some of the concept we should refer that particular topics only, but focus mainly on the previous year question, the test series, solve as much as the test series, take coaching institute, the help of coaching institute. If you are means if you are having time, then you can go for two coaching institute test series also. That's all
Okay,
my suggestion would be, sir.
right. Okay, good, Praveen. Praveen, lastly, I want to ask you, what about your parents? What are their provisions? Your father and mother?
Okay. Sir, my father is a teacher in Arunachal Pradesh, and
Mother.
my mother is a housewife.
Right. Very good, Praveen. You convey our best wishes also to your parents because they are also very supportive, right?
Yes, sir.
And
Sure, sir.
all
Sure, sir.
other friends also were part of your success.
Yes, sir.
Right? Thank you,
Thank
Praveen,
you.
once again. I congratulate you for having secured such a good rank.
Thank you,
And
sir.
also
And
thank
thanks,
you for
ACE
sharing your
Academy, to be
perspectives.
my part of the preparation, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you. God bless you, Praveen.
Thank you, sir.